Is there a service pack for Windows 10? I was wondering, is there any service pack available for Windows 10? I had to format my disk recently, and it took several hours to download and install all the updates. I don't want to go through that process again. I wasn't able to find a single file that collects all Windows 10 updates. I found on several places on internet that Microsoft has announced that no service packs will be available. It is really annoying having to download over 1 GB of updates every time I install Windows 10 on a machine.
Windows 10 has moved away from a service pack model to a yearly major feature update model. In practice, not a whole lot has changed, though. You'll be pleased to know that Microsoft makes ISO files available for download for the Windows 10 Anniversary Edition update, which is a service pack in all but the name. Its actual functionality is effectively identical to what they used to call a service pack. If you install Windows from an Anniversary Edition ISO, i.e., build 1607, you'll have to do significantly less patching post-install than if you install from the Windows 10 RTM, released to manufacturing the original Windows 10 build, ISO. That said, there is currently no easy way that I know of to install to an end-user machine from a Windows ISO, with a graphical installer, etc., that will leave you fully updated on first boot. This is possible using something called slipstreaming, where you basically build your own custom ISO that consists of the latest Windows build, i.e. 1607, plus the latest updates, which are so-called slipstreamed into the ISO file upon build. This is for advanced users, as it's not especially easy or user-friendly to do it, and it's only worth your time to do so if you intend to reinstall very frequently or install Windows on many machines, 5 or more. The slipstreaming process, briefly, involves download and run downloader. Grab all the updates. Grab an official ISO file of Windows 10 from Microsoft, e.g. you can find some links here. The direct links to Microsoft or its content delivery network are legal ways to download Windows media. Microsoft no longer places tight control on the download of Windows installation media. Use a slipstreaming tool, such as Lite, to first open your Windows 10 ISO, the original, which you downloaded from Microsoft, and then slipstream all your updates into it. The WinBuzzer article I linked to above contains some detailed instructions with screenshots, but I captured the general flow of it here for posterity's sake. I didn't want to take their images due to copyright.
There is no service pack for Windows 10. The purpose of service packs is to bundle all available updates into one pack to avoid a long scan of install for new updates like in Windows 7. The updates for your current Windows 10 build are cumulative, so they include all older updates. When you install the current Windows 10, version 1607, build 14393, you only need to install the latest cumulative update. As today, the 21st of January, 2017, you only need to install KB3213986, which updates the version 1607 to 14393.693. And 1 or 2 times per year, you get a newer feature upgrade build, which is technically a new OS version but still called Windows 10, which includes new features and UI changes. The next update will be the Creators Update from April 2017, and after you made the upgrade to this version, the new updates are again cumulative and you only need to install the latest one to be up to date after you have to reinstall Windows. So, since Windows 10 service packs are not needed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.